Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Kilo Delta Whiskey, very strong. I must watch the meter, but you're very, very strong.
This model Yaesu FT710 has exit display port, digital port. You can connect the external display. Actually, you can connect the mouse using this USB port. Currently, I'm using this SyncMaster 960BF from Samsung. Digital only, DVI port. Firstly, I wanted to connect my big screen from MSI, 27 inch in size, but this screen, this monitor has DisplayPort and HDMI port only. After reading the user manual for this radio, I found some information regarding the adapters. You can use some adapters, but you take on risks, and probably you can damage the radio. And I decided to find old school screen like this and connect to the radio. Before connection, you should go to the menu. Just go to the menu, display settings, X monitor, and select pixel size, or turn on, turn off this functionality. Off. This screen is off. When you press on, you will see the menu the same as in the radio, and you can change the size of the screen, but the size 800 to 600 much better. Exit, and you can adjust the frequency.
Nancy Bravo Victory, your 59 in the log is correct. Florida 5, Nancy Bravo Victory. No, Nancy Bravo X-ray xylophone, November Bravo X-ray xylophone, you're 59. Okay, Fred, 69 for you, 59, Florida 5, Nancy Bravo X-ray in the log. Ciao, grazie. 73. Whiskey Alpha. Tonight this morning, where it's a very cold morning, at -3 degrees centigrade in the night, and yeah, just a sort of weather to stay in and enjoy the radio. You're going to tell me about that lovely weather you've got down there now, I'm sure. So let's put it back to you, and next time I come back to you, I will be on the beat. Victor 5-1 radio.
Let's connect the mouse. Let's use the mouse. And you can adjust the frequency. Or just type the frequency.
Italy 3, Whiskey Alpha. Uniform Alpha 3, Quebec. Uniform Alpha 3, Quebec, 5-9. Okay, 5-9 also. 3 Quebec, heading in the air. Shake your 10, Papa Alpha 1, Lima X-ray, QRZ. Further continuation with you again. again. We've met before in 2020 on 20-meter band. So nice to have you again after 6 years, QSL. Who was that?
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Kilo Delta Whiskey, very strong. I must watch the meter, but you're very, very strong. Please come again.
Yes, your signal very strong too. I see your signal 9 plus 20. My name is Oleg from Voronezh, QSL.
Yeah, very nice copy. Picking in this moment the same signal 9 plus 20 dB QSL.
QSL. Thank you for this QSO. Best wishes. Happy New Year.
Yeah, QSL. Best wishes for this year, for 2026, and until the next time, my friends. Papa Alpha 1, we mix way, QRZ.
I think they have ability to connect the external monitor to the radio and have a big screen. Great for everyone, but especially for older people. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.